Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix a stuck power button on your JBL headphones. First, make sure your headphones are powered off and disconnected from any device. Take a soft, dry cloth and gently clean around the power button. Look closely at the edges of the button to see if there is visible dirt. If you notice dust or grime, use a soft brush or a clean cotton swab to remove it carefully. Do not push too hard, as this could damage the button. Next, try pressing the power button slowly and repeatedly. Press it in and let it come back out fully each time. Do this about 10 to 20 times. This motion can help loosen the button and free anything that may be blocking it. If none of these steps work, the issue may be internal. The button may be misaligned or the switch may be worn out. If you feel comfortable, you can carefully remove the ear pad, locate the screws, and open the casing. Inside, check if the button is out of place and gently realign it. Only attempt this if you are confident and careful. Thanks for watching.